In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Asana to organize your projects. Custom fields let you add the exact pieces of information your team needs, things like priority, budget, or status, so tasks are easier to track, filter, and report on. Let's walk through creating one from scratch and setting it up so it's genuinely useful. First, open Asana and head to the project where you want to use custom fields. Make sure you have permission to edit the project. If you can modify sections and columns, you're good to go. It doesn't matter whether you're in list or board view. Both support the same customization tools. In the top right of your project, click Customize. This opens the project's configuration panel where you control fields, rules, and more. Here, look for the option to add something new. Then click Add and choose Field. This tells Asana you want to create a custom field that will appear on every task in this project. Give your field a clear, short title that everyone will understand at a glance. For example, priority, complexity, budget, or channel. Consistent naming makes it easier to reuse fields across projects later and keeps your workspace tidy. Next, click to open the field type menu and select the most helpful type for the information you're capturing. If you need a controlled list, like high, medium, low, choose a drop-down. For measurable values such as estimated hours or cost, pick number. If you want free-form notes like a campaign code or link, select text. Think about how you plan to sort and filter later. Drop-downs and numbers are great for reporting and saved views. With your title and typeset, click Create Field. Asana adds it to your project immediately. In List View, you'll see it as a new column. In Board View, it appears on each task card. Start filling it in by opening a task and choosing or entering a value. If you picked a dropdown, keep your options focused. Too many choices slow teams down. If something feels off as you try it, you can always return to Customize to rename the field, adjust options, or hide it from view. Once your field has some data, put it to work. Sort tasks by the field to surface what matters, like highest priority at the top, or use filtering to narrow the list to a single value. These settings can help your team meet faster, plan more accurately, and spot risks early. That's it. By opening your project, using Customize, adding a field, naming it clearly, choosing the right type, and creating it, you've added powerful structure to your work. Try starting with one or two fields and refine it as your team adopts them.